We would like to give a special thanks to our sponsor, Spin Master, for partnering with us to make this video. Alright, Hatchet fans, we are expecting a new bundle of joy from Hatchimals, our HatchiBaby. We don't know if we're gonna hatch a boy or a girl, but while we wait to find out who we will hatch, there is so much to do with our egg. So let's get started. On a flat surface, our egg is rocking. You can see the eyes glowing through the shell. Right now its eyes are blue, so that means it's cold. So I have to rub the bottom of the egg to make it feel better. It's okay. All better. When its eyes are pink, it's happy and its heart is beating. When its eyes are yellow, our HatchiBaby is ready to play. So let's give it a little tap on the egg. And he taps back. I mean, he or she, because we don't know. When the eyes are yellow, you can also tilt the egg to play. What color is that? Are those red eyes? Oh no, I think our egg is upset. Here we go. Feeling better? I think it just said it loves me. Oh, I love you too. There is so much to do with our HatchiBaby. We have to take really good care of it and pay close attention to those eyes. When we want our HatchiBaby to take a nap, we can just hold it upside down for about 25 seconds and it will start to go to sleep. The eyes are now white, which means that our HatchiBaby is sleeping. Now that my HatchiBaby is falling asleep, I can tilt it just a little and rock it. If you let your HatchiBaby sleep long enough, it'll eventually turn off. So let's just carefully place it into the crib so it can get some rest. Really careful. There we go. Yay! Shh. Time to wake up. I take the egg and set it up straight. There you are. Good morning. I really love this whole rocking thing. This is a whole new feature. We're gonna let our HatchiBaby get a little more rest because we have a big day coming up. Friday, October 5th is Hatchimals Day and our due date. We will finally get to see what our HatchiBaby looks like and if it's a boy or a girl. HatchiBabies are now available for pre-order online at Target, Walmart, and Amazon. And don't forget to join us on October 5th for our big reveal on Hatchimals Day. It's going to be exciting! Shh! The HatchiBaby is asleep. Oh yeah. Right.